Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you can sign into iCloud. Enter your Apple ID and confirm two-factor authentication if prompted. Once signed in, make a full iCloud or encrypted local backup. This preserves photos, messages, and app data. Next, check Find My iPhone and device names so you can reassign them after reset. Start the reset sequence from Settings now. Don't skip the backup step because you'll erase linked data during the reset. Now you go into Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and manage the storage and services you want to remove or keep. If you want a full reset of iCloud on this device, sign out or choose Delete Account on this iPhone. Make sure you disabled or archived anything you need. When prompted, enter your Apple ID password to confirm. Once done, the device removes iCloud data locally. Make sure you chose the correct options before proceeding. To finish, restart your device and sign back into iCloud so settings and purchases resync. If you erase the device, restore from your iCloud or encrypted local backup to recover messages, contacts, and photos. Make sure to verify that contacts and photos are enabled in iCloud settings. If you can't sign in, check your Apple ID status at Account Settings and ensure a stable internet connection. If problems persist, reset network.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.